Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Jamaica's finest property goes on the market for sale. The former home of Oscar Hammerstein, creator of the famed Sound of Music, is now for sale. This home, which was built in 1950 and comes with 6 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The property is located in the cool hills above Spring Garden in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This majestic 17-acre or 653,400 square feet estate is the only property located on the bluff of a hill set above a valley that opens up to Montego Bay Harbor. The views provide the inspiration that is only rivaled by Noel Coward's Firefly property in St. Mary. The home is complete with a swimming pool, tanning deck, and 200 yards of lawn, ideal for a golf chipping range. The property is located 8 minutes from the main local hubs of Montego Bay, which has fine dining, coffee shops, jewelry, and clothing stores. Doctor's Cave Beach is only 16 minutes away. Property is well fruited with coconut, mango, and ackee trees. There are solar lights and rainwater harvesting. Other features of this home includes ceramic and wood flooring, wheelchair access, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, standby generator, guest house, night security, private setting, view of the ocean, view of the city, quiet area, landscaped and acreage. The current price of this home is US 2.8 million or Jamaican $439 million. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.